British summers are made for strawberries and cream and G&Ts. What better way to enjoy both together than by making your very own homemade strawberry gin? Now, we could attempt to make gin from scratch by using a neutral spirit and botanicals, but we find the easiest way to make your own gin at home is by starting with gin. We have over 100 beautiful craft gins on our online shop, craftginclub.co.uk. However, for this recipe, we recommend using something a little less special. Close and shake well. Store in a cool, dark place for 2 weeks. Strain using a sieve or muslin cloth. And there we have it. Strawberry gin for all your strawberry and/or gin needs this summer. Cheers!